Lucas.
Hello YouTube, welcome back. In this video we're gonna discuss a very interesting topic, something that you guys and girls are really worried and scared about, but I think it's a very normal thing, a very normal situation, and it's gonna be about stretch marks. Later in the video I will be showing you my stretch marks, and right now I'm going with Daniel to Calexico, so we're gonna discuss about the stretch marks, what it is, when it can happen to you, and all of that stuff, so stay in. So this is gonna be my first meal, my eggs, oats with my berry smoothie, and my coffee, my pills, my multivitamin, and my apple cider vinegar, and my vitamin C, and my organic wheat grass, which is my daily greens. This one. So yeah.
What is that?
You're not ready. You're not ready, bro.
Sumiyo. No es cierto. Por esto que tiene un Calexico. A ver, luego.
Sí, se supone que venía un martillo de todo y unas pulseras pero también, pero no me llegó. Unos jeans. Y yo voy con ese tag para toda la siguiente semana.
Sí, sí. El C4 me dijeron que está bueno.
Yo voy que un 3D, un C4.
Sí, se ve bien bonito. Lo que te voy a decir.
Vamos a probar este. Vamos a probar este.
Llévate dos de esos.
Dos banks.
Dos banks.
Sí,
dos
probé los
C4,
banks. Y los
dos
C4s.
Rage. Te puedes llevar dos Rage. Dos Rage. Dos Rays. Dos Celsius. Dos Fit Soda. Dos de todo.
Probar este y Raspberry, Carnival Candy, Raspberry.
Not bad.
Me siento mal que sale que voy a ir aquí sí, como que para mi meal, pero no he comido nada. Hot chicken sandwich, la de Pepsi.
And gains.
Está súper flexible eso sí. Hasta puedo hacer un squat aquí.
Hello guys, I'm here with Daniel in his house, and we're gonna discuss about the stretch marks. We're gonna do it in a fast way so you guys won't get bored. So what is a stretch mark?
So you might get stretch marks In some cases, like us, you start building muscle and your muscle grows at a faster rate than your skin can grow. So your muscle grows and your can be somewhat elastic, but it stretches, and that's when you get that mark. So it's very easy to get those. It's normal, and you might, almost all people get it right here on the side chest, or you can get it on your lower back or on your butt mostly. But that's all there is to it. It's very normal.
There are so many cases where you can get stretch marks when you're in pregnancy, and when you're pregnant you can get stretch marks too. When you gain muscle, when you gain weight, or when you lose weight very fast. Also, you can get stretch marks by puberty. Stretch marks are not dangerous. It might disappear over time. For the first sign of a stretch mark is gonna be like a red cut, and then it can turn into a white one. That means that the stretch mark is like healing, but it's not gonna disappear 100%. It will leave like a mark, and I have the two of them, the white ones and the red ones. I don't know if you got any.
Yeah, I got some red ones here, some white ones on my lower back, but it's totally normal. Everyone has them. Even your favorite celebrities or
Bodybuilders,
physique, idols, everyone has stretch marks, so don't stress about it. Just embrace them.
you can do a few things to fade away the stretch marks a little bit, like using almond oil, also a medicine like Cicatricure or coconut oil. That worked for me. I used it like 3 years ago, and it worked, so that's a good way to get rid of it. So basically that's it. It's a quite short subject and very easy to understand. So do not get nervous if you got stretch marks. Do not get nervous by showing them in the beach or in the gym. It's very normal for me, honestly, and for almost everyone. And that's gonna be it. Now we're gonna eat something, I think, and then go to the gym.
So this is gonna be my next meal. This is a salad with white rice and tilapia. And it's like a salad dressing my mom just made. It's delicious, so I'm gonna put a little bit. And that is, oh shit. And that is gonna be my next meal. The basic and essential pre-workout shake. Yeah, buddy.
So Daniel got a problem with his family, and he's not gonna be able to come today, but I will. So let's see how it goes. Today I'm gonna train a little bit of back and legs and chest.
Kano on the track.
Raiden Beats. Purchase your track today.
you can see in the workout, I use a snatch grip deadlift, and the only difference between that one and the normal deadlift is that you have a wider grip, so you're gonna have more space between your hands, and that will target your back in a different way than the normal deadlift. So I did that one, and the Arnold press, I like to do different types of presses for shoulders. The military press, the Arnold press, the overhead press, so you can target your muscle in a different way. And that was all for this workout. I'm gonna take it to my post-workout meal in a sec.
So I don't have nothing cooked right now, like from the protein family, chicken or beef. So I'm gonna take 1 scoop of my protein powder, 1 whopping scoop. And wait for the pasta. So this is gonna be my next meal. Is it just the spaghetti and with some almonds and water, and that's it. Quite easy. So now I'm gonna show you my stretch marks. I have these ones, and have red ones here, and very little white stretch marks here. It's hard to see, so they're very little, so it's really hard. And also I have this one is a scar. It's not a stretch mark. And I'm gonna show you a picture in a sec. In the right arm, I have one really big, this one, and some white ones here. And that's it. So I'm really tired right now, I just want to sleep, and this is gonna be my last meal, my smoothie. That is with milk, 20 almonds, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and my protein powder. And also I add some berries, so I just need that extra calories for the day to complete my calorie intake for today. And yeah, that's it gonna be. So I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, and see you in the next one.